Hello fellow Silimanians! I am proud to inform you that Silliman University Library has subscribed to an integrated learning experience platform called Odilo. Odilo is your provider for unlimited ecosystem and considered as Netflix for education. Odilo is a digital content platform where you can borrow and enjoy digital content of all types like ebooks, audiobooks, videos, and many more. Anywhere, anytime, whether offline or online, from your computer, tablet, e-reader, or smartphone. Odilo aims to democratize access to high-quality education, creating a world with unlimited learning possibilities for all. Improve literacy levels and critical thinking skills as independent and informed thinking will help us to advance as a global society. Empower lifelong learning, inspiring millions of people to integrate learning as a daily habit. Odilo works in partnership with government and companies worldwide to achieve UNESCO 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. I will show you later the carousel feature of Odilo. Now, how to log in. First, please visit our SU Virtual Library. Click Resources and click Odilo. You will be brought to sulibrary.odilo.us. You may opt to go directly to this link. Now, click Log In. Enter your student ID or for employees, your TIN as user ID and the default password. Then, click Log In. Now, how to navigate? Once you log in, you can navigate the platform and choose titles from different ways. You can browse through the different carousels. You can directly search for titles on the search bar. You can access resources based on different categories. Or you can check the full catalog. How to borrow and return resources. Choose a resource you want to borrow by clicking the cover. Click the Borrow button to borrow the resource. Click Read to access the resource online. To access the resource offline, click Download for Adobe Digital Editions. To return the resource, click Return button. To return resource from offline use, right-click on the cover of the resource, then click Return Borrowed Item. Odilo, your Netflix for education.